2019. Today is the first day of 2019. Today marks the first day of a new journey. From this day on, my channel is going to be completely different. I want to start uploading regularly. I'm going to make a wider variety of content. I have plans to start cleaning videos, cooking videos. I want to do organization videos, decluttering videos. I want to branch out and do vlogs. I want to make my videos bigger and better. I want to start trying to edit them. I want to do more things than just sticking into my comfort zone for this channel. I'm still going to do unboxing videos, and I'm still going to do hauls, but I want to get back to my roots as well and start doing makeup tutorials again and talking about makeup. That's the reason I started this channel, is because I loved makeup so much and I wanted to share what I loved with you guys. So I want to go back and do that. 2018, I spent most of the year being stuck in kind of a funk. This little depressed box that I was stuck in and couldn't really get out of, I'm going to break free from. That box has caused me a lot of, how do I say this? It has stopped me from doing a lot of things. Because I was stuck in this box. I missed school a lot. I was supposed to graduate this month originally, but because of my depression and anxiety, I stopped going to school. Starting tomorrow, our Christmas break is over. And starting tomorrow, I will be at school at 9 a.m. ready to clock in and do my day's worth of haircuts and coloring and makeup and styling, and I'm going to get my hours. And let me tell you, I'm going to be graduated by the end of the year. I have all these goals that I'm going to accomplish in 2019. 2019 is going to be the beginning of my new life. I want to start taking another step as well. I want to start trying to lose weight, and I want to do like a weight loss journey on here. I want to kind of do monthly updates as I go through the year, and I don't know when the first video of that will go up. It probably won't be up for a week or two. I get my cast off for my broken foot next week on the 9th, or the 10th, sorry. And as soon as that comes off, I'm going to start working out. I can't do much in my cast because it's like such a risk for breaking the cast and everything. But as soon as this thing comes off, I'm not going to let anything hold me back. I want to start eating healthier. I want to start working out. I want to start being a healthier me. The beginning of 2018, I worked out a lot. And I felt a lot better. I was a lot happier. I was feeling better. I was starting to lose weight and I felt a lot more confident. So I'm going to start that again. But instead of stopping, I'm going to keep it up and I'm going to keep doing it. 2019, I want to make myself known for not giving up and not letting the depression I had, or I still have it, but I'm going to try my best to beat it this year. Like I said, I want to expand my content. I want to do other things than just staying in my comfort zone. If I can branch out and do more, then I will be more comfortable doing other things, and then I will move on to being more confident in myself to do other things. I'm just ready for a change. And yeah, so as of right now, January 1st, 2019, I am sitting here and I am saying, this is going to be the new me. So if you guys are excited and ready to help me with this journey and to follow me on this journey of becoming a new me and trying to become happy again, I guess you could say, and seeing the change in the channel and myself as well, then please hit that subscribe button and join me. And if you guys have any advice for me, I would love that as well. And yeah, so I'm going to end the first video of 2019 here, and I will see you on Thursday with a new video. Bye guys.